Hello everyone, welcome to our today's lesson. My name is Dr. Joshua Aura, and today I would want us to look at process costing, a simple illustration which most of the times under management accounting of ACCA will fall under the multiple choice questions. So we are told here, a company needs to produce 380 liters of product Y. A normal loss of 3% of input is expected. Abnormal loss is 2% of material input. How many liters were input into the process? So ladies and gentlemen, here we do not know the quantity of raw materials that came into our process. So we shall let the total input. Let the total input be equal to X. Let the total input be equal to X. Now, having defined my input very well, the easiest way is to solve this using the throughput account. And this is how my throughput account will look like. Throughput account. It's a T account that has got debit and a credit. It's a T account that has got debit and a credit. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with this throughput account, I would want to populate it. Of course, I know on the debit side, I have the total input. So we'll come and talk of our total input on the debit side, which in this case here is X. And then on the credit side, we take care of the losses and the outputs. So the first loss that I will account for is the normal loss. So we have here the normal loss. So normal loss, ladies and gentlemen, is 3% of the input, which is what here? X. Normal loss is 3% of the input, which is X. So 3% of X, this will give me 0.03 X. From there we have an abnormal loss. So our abnormal loss, we have been told in this question, is also 2% of the input which is X. So normal loss will be 2% of X. So we have here 2% of X, which will be 0.02X. 0.02X like that. And then of course, on the credit side, we shall also account for the output. And the output has been expressly, a company needs to produce 380 liters of product Y, of product Y. So we have our output, ladies and gentlemen, is 300 what here? 80 like that. So having accounted for all our losses on the credit side, we've been able to account for our output on the credit side. Now we need to come and talk about balancing. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, whenever we have an abnormal loss, we expect this debit side to be bigger. So I'll come and put X here, I'll come and put X there. So expecting that when I add everything downwards, I should be able to get the aggregate, the total here, being equal to X. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment I reach there, what I need to do is to come here. And form an equation out of this. So we have 0.03x plus 0.02x plus 380 equals my X here. So let's put like terms together. This and this will give me 0.05x. And then of course this X moved to the other side, it changes its sign. It becomes minus 1x. So 0.05 minus 1. That will give me minus 0.95x equals the 380 crosses over. As it crosses over, of course, we expect the sign to change. So it becomes minus 300 what here? 80. And therefore, X will be equal to minus 380 divided by minus 0.95. X will be minus 380 divided by minus 0.95. So we have here 380 divided by 0.95 equals, which will end up, ladies and gentlemen, giving us X of what here? X of 400. X, ladies and gentlemen, which is our total input, equals 400 units. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Joshua Aura is also a member of ACCA and a teacher of ACCA. So we have a RCM Online College which offers ACCA papers, all of them. Specifically, I teach management accounting, I teach performance management, and advanced performance management. And what is important for you is the cost effectiveness of our model of teaching. We only charge $100 per subject. With this $100, we shall be able to give you access to all our pre-recorded videos and live classes. So thank you, and thank you very much. For you to be able to get more information about this, please, you can give us a call or even a WhatsApp message at this number 254-719-525,000. 5,000. Thank you. God bless you.